everyone, it's Missy here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, we're going to talk about where I've been, where I'm going, what's happening, all the things. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you. I normally post videos Monday and Wednesday, and then every other Friday for TLC Design Shops. I haven't been posting regularly the last couple of weeks just because I've been, I don't want to say in a funk. I've been at a crossroads. So my new branding video was not supposed to go live when it did. And it's like you can't put the cat back in the bag. It's like it was out, people had seen it, it had been posted everywhere that I had scheduled it, and I felt like that I just had to go ahead and let the universe have it because that's on me. I didn't check the scheduling when I scheduled it. But I was gonna wait to have it go live until I had a better idea of what I want this channel to look like going forward. So I started this channel 5 years ago, maybe 6 years ago. The first few videos were just like hauls. I showed off the ornaments I used to make, those kinds of things. And then I posted my first kind of crafty tutorial 5 years ago, back in July. And it was a holiday card series. I don't know what I was thinking. Christmas in July holiday card series. And I have been on YouTube posting ever since. And I've had a lot of changes over the years. I did planning videos. I don't plan anymore. I was with Stampin' Up for 3 or 4 years. I'm no longer with Stampin' Up anymore. So I know my subscriber base has changed, and I have a lot of people who probably don't watch because they're no longer interested. They're just still subscribed. So I asked in my group, I don't know, a couple of months ago, my Facebook group, which is linked down below if you're interested, you know, why are you not watching the videos? What can I do to make them different? What do you need me to do? Several people mentioned that they don't enjoy watching people color. You know, they would rather just skip that. Some people mentioned that, you know, I haven't been consistent. I get it. I do. Some people said, you know, they want shorter content like for TikTok or Instagram Reels. So there's been this kind of plethora of information from my subscriber base, my Facebook group, etc. And I'm trying to decide how it all fits together for the channel going forward. It's been pretty stagnant the last, I don't know, year maybe or so. I had that bump and then it kind of all went away, which is fine. At the end of the day, it's fine. So I guess, again, rambling, I guess I feel like you guys are asking for shorter content, and that's something that I think I can do. And what I've been considering is having a second channel that's just my coloring. So when you watch a video of mine and you're interested in watching me color, you can click on it, and it will take you to a different channel to watch it. So there's that option. And then for the other videos, it would just be the kind of assembly part, the design and the assembly part. So there's that option. There's the option to not include coloring anywhere. Or I could also put in timestamps. You can skip it. So there's those kind of, Rob is going in and out of the house knowing that I'm trying to film. I apologize. So there's those kinds of things. I don't know that I can do TikTok. I mean, it's hard enough as it is to edit down my videos because I'm a slow crafter because of the couple of diseases that I have. I don't know that that will happen, but I may try to do more in regards to, I may try to do more like Instagram Reels, etc. So there's that. And then the other thing is, what do you guys want to see? When you get on YouTube and you look for card makers, what are you looking for? Are you looking for, you know, just inspiration? Are you looking for someone to teach you something? I am going to continue my Stampin' University series. We need to start inks, and I'll tell you why I haven't in just a couple of minutes. But like, what do you want when you get on YouTube? What are you looking for when you click on a crafty YouTube video? What gets your eye? Do you want a close-up of the card on the thumbnail? Do you want it to be blurred so you're surprised? Like, what do you want from me as someone who watches my videos. Like, what do you want? That's what I really would like to know. So some changes that I'm going to make. I'm going to go to Monday, Wednesday, Friday all the time. I've been doing, like I said, Monday, Wednesday, and then every other Friday for TLC. Every other Friday will still be for TLC. And I think I'm going to put a condensed version of my project on this channel. And then you guys can go to their channel to watch the entirety of the project, whether that's 25 or 30-minute video, whatever I do. I think that's what I'm going to do. Again, you guys will have to let me know in the comments down below. The holiday card series is coming up soon. I normally start that right after Labor Day. Let's see, when is that? The 6th. So it would start September the 8th, which is a Wednesday, and it would be that going forward, other than the times that I do for TLC, unless they have Christmas designs out by then. I'm going to put a pause on Crafty Roulette. I love that series. It's just a lot of work. And I think this is on me. I did it too often. Like, I was trying to do it every week because you guys seem to enjoy it. I was enjoying it, but it got to be a little bit more work than what I was anticipating because I was getting things at random. And some of the things, like the Golden Girls card, it could have been better. You know what I mean? Like, I just felt like it was probably rushed and I could have done it better. And I don't want to do random stuff during the holiday card series. Maybe I'll do one here or there, but for the most part, I want to use the things that I have purchased. So there's that. So yeah, I feel like it's time for a change, and that's why I wanted the new branding. But I also wanted to be in a different headspace when the branding went live, because I just don't know where to go. I just don't know what to do. Some people have mentioned live streams, and going live is not cheap. And I'm not in a position to invest that much money right now. If I start getting more AdSense, or, if you guys watch more ads, if I did affiliate links, I've been thinking about that, and Patreon and stuff again. We are getting a new bathroom remodel. You guys know that I have a couple of spinal disorders that will probably have me ended up in a wheelchair, and we decided to go ahead and try to do our bathroom remodel so it is wheelchair accessible for me. And so that's going to cost, and which is why I've been doing a no buy. So there's just lots of changes going on, lots of interflection, Misty, what is reflection, reflecting on my part, and just wanting to make sure that I'm providing you content that you want to watch, right? So again, a rambly video, but I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions down below. I really do appreciate your input. I appreciate you watching the videos. I appreciate all of it. So I'm going to take the next week off. So this is hopefully going up on the 11th. I'm going to make sure it's going up on the 11th. I have a TLC designs that will go up this Friday. It should have went up last Friday, but that's why there haven't been any videos. I did something to my lower back. Like I had a pinched nerve or something, and I was in the worst pain in my life for a week and a half, and I had to end up having a facet injection to kind of block the nerves so I could just move. So I haven't been at my desk. I haven't been creating. So yeah. And that's another thing. It's like I try to be consistent, and YouTube basically kills your channel if you're not. But at the same time, it's like I can't always be consistent. I have, various different diseases that cause various different issues. And so anyway, I don't mean this to be a gripe fest. I want it to be productive. This is like a team meeting. We're going to sit down. I'm the boss, but you're going to share with me what you want me to do, and we'll see what we can come up with. But yeah, so I'll be back on Monday. I'll be back next Monday. So I'll just it'll be a few days on my end, but it'll be no days on your end. But so yeah. Okay, yeah. So I'll see you guys Friday for a TLC Designs. And then I'll see you Monday we'll do a couple Halloween fall type cards before I transition into Christmas after Labor Day. One last thing, I've put my Etsy shop on 60% off. There's about 40-ish cards left. Most of them are Christmas, and I have 2 card sets. One is a nutcracker and the other is a tree set, and they're both $10. So you get a set of cards for $10. I'm trying to completely get rid of every card that I've created that is in the shop right now. I want to start fresh for the holiday card series. I'm hoping to do some more crafting even when I'm not filming, which is something that I normally don't get a chance to do. So yeah, so if you're interested, make sure you check the link. It is in the description box down below. Come join my Facebook group. I'm doing monthly birthday cards. So if your birthday is in August, you can come sign up for monthly birthday cards. And like I said, if you are a winner and I haven't gotten back to you, I apologize. I barely was able to get that video filmed and get people contacted. So give me a few more days and I will make sure that you get your stuff in the mail. And if you are a winner, make sure, or if you don't know if you're a winner, make sure you watch that video because there are several people who haven't contacted me. And I've also replied to people's comments. So make sure you check your replies from me as well. So anyway, thank you guys so much. I love you so much and appreciate you. And like I said, I want to give you what you want to see. So, you know, give me constructive feedback, please. Don't be, you know, rude or whatever. Be constructive. You know, just let me know what you're interested in, what you want to see, and we'll see how, you know, if I can do it or not. But anyway, thanks guys. I love your faces and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.